So I know that everybody out there is going to be asking me the question, how do I talk about learning challenges on the college application? Should I write my college essay about having ADD or dyslexia? And obviously, this depends. In every story, every student is different, and every story of how their learning disability has impacted their life is different. And I really honor that. I used to think about this with my own kids, specifically my daughter Olivia, who has autism spectrum disorder. I used to feel like her autism was just a part of herself. It wasn't all of who she was, and it was just one story to tell. And when I think about students using their disability as a way to frame their common application essay, I often ask the question, is there a better story to tell that highlights the strengths and lets us into the student's heart of who they are as a human being? If that is true, if their disability is part of that, then yes, let's figure out a way. But I also want to remind families that there is a section in the Common Application that allows people to explain, students to explain what their strengths and challenges are that may need to be explained. For instance, if they have progression issues with moving schools, if they have grades, D's in math or C's in so and so, but A's in something else, we can explain that there. And usually we keep it pretty simple. So because there's so many stories these kids have, their identity is not just their learning disability. So that is my approach, and everybody has a different approach, and it's very personal.